I have evidence that firearms are being removed, and General Isia and General Modise is implicated, that they supplied hitmen with firearms from the storage facilities. Those firearms killed witnesses, and those firearms are now in the possession as a result of the Mr. Nguru's evidence that he provided. Mr. Nguru exposed the location of the firearms. Those firearms are now in the possession, and it killed a teacher, it killed a police officer, it killed many other people. Those firearms must still be linked to more killings that we still don't know. The firearms have been sent for IDOS testing. We will get the results.